Hi, I'm Jan. Today I will discuss a fascinating topic about continuing aspects of verbs. By the end of this video, we ought to learn the continuing aspects of verbs, identify the differences among the continuous tenses of verbs, and apply these continuous verb tenses to describe ongoing actions. To start with, let's first read a short story.
John is traveling to school right now. He was waiting by the road when the school bus arrived. The boy will be meeting new friends there.
If you may have noticed, the actions in the story do not only tell when the actions were done, but also tells us if the actions were already completed, is ongoing, or will be completed at some time in the future. That's what the continuing aspects of verbs are all about. Continuing or progressive aspects is the collective term for verbs in continuous tense. Also known as progressive tense, continuous tense shows an action that is, was, or will be in progress at a certain time. So you see, verb tenses may not only be about the past, the present, or future actions. By conjugating verbs, you can also tell others if you were continuously laughing at a party last night or planning to work out every day, starting tomorrow. Whether you're learning or teaching English, it's important to master the tenses of verbs to be proficient in communicating effectively. Let's go back to the story to get a clearer picture.
John is traveling to school right now.
In this sentence, the action is still happening or ongoing at the moment. Like again, John is traveling. This is an example of the present continuous tense. It can be used when describing an action that is taking place at the time of speaking.
He was waiting by the road when the school bus arrived.
In this sentence, John is doing an action, waiting when another action took place. The school bus arrived. This is an example of the past continuous tense. It can be used to show an action that was happening in the past. Take note though, it is crucial to bear in mind that the past continuous is typically used to describe an action that was in progress when another, usually shorter action occurred concurrently, came to an end, or began after the continuous action.
The boy will be meeting new friends there.
The next one is the future continuous tense. It is used to show that an action will be happening at some point in the future. Since John is still on his way to school, he has not met new friends yet. However, he will be or might start meeting new friends by the time he arrives there. As a rule of thumb, in forming the continuing or progressive aspects of verbs, check out this simple guide for past continuous tense, present continuous tense, and future continuous tense. That's all for today's video. This ends our topic about continuing or progressive aspects of verbs. Thank you.